Hey guys, good morning. Well, we're going to go over Cardano today. I'm going to go over some price predictions, show you guys how to get into a trade that I think, honestly, conservatively, could give us about 16% profit, 15 to 16% profit. So I'll talk to you guys about that. I'll show you guys how to set that up. I actually recorded an ADA video yesterday, but YouTube never published it. I'm like, what's going on? So anyways, I want to do that one today because I know a lot of you guys got that update in Telegram, but it didn't go through. Okay, guys, we are currently sitting at 102 for 102 wins in a row. We've never lost a crypto trade. We're very patient. I'm coming out here and just showing you guys how to trade these markets with very good accuracy. Also today, if you guys did not see this already, we just launched what's called an Inner Circle Acceleration Group on our website, where I'm literally going to be teaching you guys masterclass level trainings on the crypto market, how to read indicators, understanding the Fibonacci, understanding how to draw trend lines correctly. Basically, everything you guys need to know about trading of what I've learned from teaching, people with $1,000 to those coaching up people with billions of dollars that run hedge funds. So I'm going to teach that to you guys in a new crypto trading. The first video I came out with was just you guys getting to know me a little bit more. So it's going to be really fun. I think you guys will like this a lot. Okay. Let me show you guys now what I'm looking at for ADA, because yesterday, if you guys saw my video update, I ended up purchasing $35,000 more of crypto. And today, at about 10 a.m., I got to wait for this to clear in Coinbase, I'm going to be purchasing another $14,000 of crypto. Yesterday, I ended up buying ADA, EOS, DOT, Link, Solana, Ethereum, and Doge. These are the coins that I chose. I put $5,000 in each of these. I took $35,000, split it equally into 7 coins. That's $5,000. I used the first 3 buy limits on all of the coins. I'll show you guys where to access that today, which is going to correlate into this trade I talked to you guys about. And I'll show you guys how to access all of this, okay? So I'm set up. Are you set up? I want you guys to be watching this closely, okay? The trend dashboard. We are looking at this trend dashboard to gauge what retail traders are doing, okay? Retail traders are majority looking at their indicators and they're bearish today. They're looking at, look, we're still below the 50, we're still below the 100, we're still below the 200 moving average here. So, and the market is going down, all right? As the market goes down here, a lot of people are getting either anxious or nervous, and I'll show you guys that metric today as we go over the emotional index today. We're going to see here probably what might happen here is another maybe move back down here. But there is bullish signs in the market here where we're actually starting to move up here, getting some of these double bottoms here and trapping a lot of short traders who went short around this area. So follow me here. Let me explain that here because this could get very bullish, guys. Price versus wall money flow and trend exhaustion. What we're seeing down here is that when the trend exhaustion gets low and the well money flowing low gets low here as well, this is where we're seeing stalls out and we're moving back up in price. Awesome. Okay, previous time before that, could we predict the pump in ADA? Yes, we could. Trend exhaustion was low, well money flow was low. We saw this pump up right here. You guys saw us call this on this market here when we saw this divergence where we saw the well money flow heading up here, creating a low and a higher low, but price action moved down in the same period. And we're like, guys, look, money's flowing back into the market. This thing's gonna move up, and that's where we pushed up into this uptrend right here. Go back a little bit further. How are we able to call the drop here? We saw the trend exhaustion high, well money flow high as well, and then we saw this move back down. We saw the trend exhaustion high, well money flow high, and then we saw the move back down, guys. This is how we're calling these drops before they happen. The big one over here that we're able to call, trend exhaustion was high. Well, money flow was super high up here. That's what we're looking for that drop, and we ended up getting it. So now you guys see the accuracy of that. These 3 indicators, by the way, guys, they're going up in price, and you have 3 days left to get these, and they're never going to be cheaper than this ever again because we're upping our prices. Make sure they're in your toolbox and, like on your side as you are going into the crypto markets to get some confidence and understand where things are going. Take a look at this with me. We are seeing here that the trend exhaustion pushed to the top red section here, and well money flow is fairly high up here. It's definitely not at the bottom, but it's not necessarily at the top. So we're seeing a bit of consolidation right here. At this area, we did start heading back down here. So today what I'm watching for is a syncing up of the well money flow and the trend exhaustion. This may be easier for you guys to see this if you come over and take off the price. What I'm watching for is a syncing up here. The next time the trend exhaustion goes low, and the well money flow goes low, I am looking for a bounce back up in ADA for a move back up here, okay? I'm looking for that bounce back up because we've been proving it so many times up here that that's what happens. Now, if this comes up here and actually shoots to the upside here and the whale money flow goes high as well, that's syncing up. They're both at the top. That's double confirmation for a move back down. And that's what I'll be looking for to get out of, maybe this trade I'm going to show you guys. The trade I'm going to show you guys literally in here, if you take a price range tool from where we're currently at, and I'm in this trade already, it's about 16% profit you guys can make. And that's very, 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 very conservative of what you guys could do on this trade. I could come out here and say, oh, we're going to previous structure high and do 55%. But why not? I want you guys to be able to just honestly trust me on this channel. Like 16% is absolutely doable for this next move. And I'll show you guys how to get in there. I'm already in this trade, by the way. I'm in this. I'll show this to you guys. I got a filled yesterday on ADA. I told you guys I bought that. I bought ADA down here at literally $1, 1.0024. So I got in here at $1 yesterday, which is right around this level right here. So I'm basically in the same trade that you guys are going to be able to enter in today with me on. But watch this. I'm going to show you guys how to exit this trade in the profit, because in the Telegram channel, I'm only going to be calling exits on the trades that are on the YouTube channel, so we have video proof of all those, because that's the only way for me to keep things transparent. But I'll show you guys how to exit in the profit. I'll show you guys. If you guys want to make like 16% today, it's probably good. I would say probably within the next 3 days, it'll probably be very, very easy to make 16% on this. And if it goes down, I'll show you guys really good risk management, so it's pretty much going to be virtually and quote-unquote impossible to lose this trade. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, all of our metrics update. So for ADA, you guys just click right here. All the metrics are on the top, and the buy limits over here under live trades. Emotional index here is pushing down here, guys. Today when this updates, I wouldn't doubt if we see a little bit of a dip into anxiousness today, because we're just so low. Guys, we're so low in the market. Like, this is why I'm buying another $49,000 worth of crypto, because like I see where we're at down here. Guys, it's either crypto disappears and goes away or pumps back up. I don't see it going away. I don't. I mean, do you? Like, if you do and you have money in the market, you should probably just sell everything right now and just go into a different venture like real estate or something. I don't see that, guys. I see this market coming back, and so I'm prepping right now and I'm buying. Long versus short trades for Cardano. What's happening right now? Long trades are dropping out and short trades are increasing a little bit here. This isn't a bullish sign, but what we're seeing here is we are seeing that we're actually starting to get a little bit of an uptrend starting here. Now we need to create this movement right here. An uptrend consists of two things, only two things: higher highs and higher lows. Once we break above this area here and we hit 117, and it's a break above this candle structure right there at about 116.3, we hit 120 or 117, that is officially actually an uptrend pattern. And we could start getting very bullish. So I want you guys to watch that, all right? Coming down here, trades in favor right now. Where's the blue line? It's absolutely, guys, the long trade is in favor right now. This is a good time to take a long trade. This was a great time to take a long trade yesterday when I came out and I said I was injecting $49,000 into the market. This is where I bought down here at $1, okay? I'm not doing anything without disclosing this to you guys first. I actually was placing some trades yesterday, and I'm like, oh shoot, I felt like this guy was like just reminding me. I'm like, I had placed ADA and EOS, and I'm like, oh shoot. So I came out here and I actually did this post here. So all of you guys had the chance to get in before me on all of these trades over here. I never like to take things before and then tell you guys after. Honestly, it was a mistake I made. And honestly, if you guys got this post afterwards, you kind of got a little better entry than me. Because I got in, the market went down just a little bit more after I got in on a little bit of a drop here, but it doesn't matter. We're all basically in at the same spot. That's awesome. Okay, look at the well and institutional smart money here. Guys, if you understand how to read this metric, and it's very simple, it says, what are wells and institutions doing? Are they going long or are they going short? Guys, this is so simple. When the market was going up here and everyone was getting excited, wells took their short trades out here and dropped the market. And then guess what? Everyone was fearful and anxious. The market was going to drop. And guess what happened over here, guys? The wells and institutions started buying long trades and it shot straight back up. And then we saw this pump up here. Literally, when we went up 50% in that pump. 50%. Do you guys see this? We're lower than that. So that means if we went from here to here and we did 50%, 50.91, then what does that tell you guys starting at a lower price here? Like, let's take a look. Not 50%. How about we come up here and look at 58%? Almost 10% more just by buying in now? Guys, do you understand that if you have money in the market, and let's just say, like, who cares about this high over here? Like, don't even look at that. Let's just say we get a 50% retracement within this year. Like this year. Let's just say we go up here. It's 130%. Some of you guys I know that I'm coaching who have millions of dollars. Guys, if you put literally like $1 million in your dollar cost average into ADA, you guys know you could make $1 million, like maybe $1.3 million by the end of this year? And that's conservative. That's not even high. Those of you guys who want to throw in $100,000, you know you could make maybe $130,000, like replace everybody's salary that they get paid working for an entire year. And all you have to do is place the trade right now. Guys, I'm showing you how to get into these markets. I hope you're doing this. I'm shoving money into my account because I believe this is a great time to be buying. Wells and institutions are buying this up as well, guys. So could the price go down further? Yes. I'm not trying to come in here and say the price can't go back down and go further, but I'm going to show you guys if it goes back down how to have good risk management. Resistance, 121. 121 is right up here around the chart. It's very close to where I've been talking to you guys about of this exit point of, looking for this gain over here of, I keep saying 16%. It's probably going to be, 16% I don't think is unrealistic. It's correlated to the structure high right here. 16, 17%, that's very, very conservative, guys. Probably can blast up to 20 to 30 maybe. Dollar cost average entries for you guys here. This came out and said, hey, if you're a diamond hand holder and you want to check our charts every morning at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, that's awesome because you guys are actually going to get over here and you're going to get great entries and you can hold for life. Incredible entries as all of our coins have been moving down. Last metric, and we're going to get into this trade setup here. Exit points. This is what's calling an exit here. We're like, oh my gosh, this was the time to exit right here. And then we saw the market move back down. Okay. So next time we start seeing the market move back up here, we're going to be watching for this because this has done a very good job, guys, of calling the drops before they have happened. So we want to watch that. Okay. All these metrics you guys see me looking at right now, you guys get access to all these for every single one of our coins. Our pricing is only $49 a month. I know we have the cheapest membership for what we offer out there. I did it on purpose so we could literally just be the go-to place to be like, you know what? I want good value. I want someone to be honest. I want someone to actually trade with their own money so they're not just saying, oh, look at what my indicators do. No, guys, I've got money on the line here. I'm trading with you. We've never, ever lost a trade. Guys. And I'm going to give you guys all this, and we're launching the Inner Circle Acceleration Group as well, and our prices are going up. So here's the thing, guys. Access all of our metrics. Access all the trade setups that even I'm taking by getting in here at $49 a month and secure your spot before February 25th because that's when our price is going up to $95 a month, okay? That gives you access to everything. This is brand new. You guys have never seen this on this website before until today. The brand new Inner Circle. Once you guys have your membership, come down here and click the Inner Circle. This is going to give you guys access to all of the new masterclass training I'm coming out with. Okay, guys? My goal, just so you know, my goal is to come out with a new masterclass training every single week. Every week. And it's probably going to be around Wednesdays. Like in the middle of the week, you guys are like, all right, I need something to stimulate me. Let's get in here. So my goal is to come out with a new masterclass training every single Wednesday. And then at least trying to go live with you guys once a month where all of us get together on Zoom and we go over the markets. We may do more than that. We may do, I don't know, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. I don't know. All I can say, guys, is that this is going to consistently be a place where you guys want to be checking, where you're going to get really good training over here. This is exactly what I've taught hedge funds in the past that come to me. I'll show you guys how to do Fibonacci retracements, how to do, scalping. Guys, the amount of stuff I'm going to come out over here with is going to be crazy. So anyways, I don't want to get sidetracked here. This membership gives you access to all of that. The only thing it doesn't give you access to is the indicators, which I'll show you guys, and those are going up in 3 days. Okay, the live trade over here for ADA, Cardano. Guys, please get into this trade. Seriously, I'm in this trade with you. I already bought $5,000 worth yesterday of ADA, and I'm already in the profit on that trade. Just because you see us win 102 for 102 wins over here, and you haven't seen the win rate go up here for a while, by no means whatsoever does that mean we're not winning trades. I'm showing you guys how to take a trade right now and how to exit in the profit, okay? This is just 102 wins because I'm keeping track of what we're seeing on YouTube over here. Okay, let's do this. All right, we're going to do this on Bitcoin because I want to show this to you guys and keep the rest private for our members. At 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, this is all going to update. We're at 7:41, so we have about 19 minutes right now. Okay, when this turns to 125, those are going to be the official buy limits for today. Here's how you guys trade ADA, any of our coins that you want to get into. Let's say you guys have $1,000 that you want to trade with this coin or ADA or anything. You guys are going to see 4 buy limits on all of our coins, price structure in white, and a settlement in green. Take the amount you want to trade with and simply split it into 4 equal portions. Okay? 4 equal portions. This will give you guys 4 buy limits in your exchange. Now, because ADA is so low, listen carefully, because ADA is so low, it is okay, and I'm giving you guys this go to go ahead and forego the first buy limit and don't wait for it to get hit, but market order in with the first buy limit for 25%. If you want to use the 3 buy limits only on ADA and the altcoins, don't even think about doing this for Bitcoin. Please use all 4 buy limits on Bitcoin because that could go down further. But some of the altcoins, you guys can go ahead and use 3 buy limits right now because we are so ridiculously low in the market. So what you guys are going to do is you can market order in right now. Let's pretend this is Cardano. Let's say you had $3,000. You're going to have 3 buy limits, $1,000 at each. Market order in with $1,000 right now. Not your financial advisor. Again, I'm not your financial advisor. Please consult a financial advisor before you do this. This is just what I'm doing. You can market order in with $3,000 right now and then forego the first buy limit because you're market ordering in, and then set another buy limit up here for 1,000 and another buy limit up here for 1,000 for ADA. Okay, I'm going to keep it private for our members, but that's the trade that I'm in. Literally with you guys. Like that money I injected yesterday, that's the trade that I'm in over here that I bought, okay, with the fills. And I've got the other ones open over here that you guys can see on ADA, okay? Let's continue here, all right? So once you guys do that, you want to get into the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits with the indicators, and this is also where I'm going to be giving you guys updates of when the new masterclass trainings come out, okay, that you guys can watch. You'll get access to all those. Make sure you sign up Telegram on your phone or your computer first, and then that will give you guys access over here into the channel where you guys can actually, watch me take profits with the trend exhaustion and price versus money flow. Now, the indicators are what you guys really want to be watching for over here because these are going to be going up in price in 3 days. So here's the deal on this. Literally in 3 days, on the 28th, today's the 25th, that's 3 days, you guys are going to see the price versus money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion go up in price. Just click these links right here. It'll take you over to our partner site, Gumroad, we partner with Gumroad and we love them. We actually hold the #1 product on all of Gumroad, which is the bundle pack for cryptocurrency, for Bitcoin, Ethereum, indicators, and trading. All those keywords. We hold the #1 product on the entire Gumroad marketplace. It's actually the bundle pack. It's at #1. This is a ton of people love this because they're getting great value. These 3 indicators here, guys, are going up in price. If you get the bundle pack, you actually get access to all 9 of our indicators instead of paying just for 3, which is basically the same price. So why not just get all the rest here, which you guys can watch videos in here of how accurate they are. These 2 indicators for Forex have never been able to be coded on TradingView before. We were the first ones to code them, and I've never seen anyone else code anything like it. It was not easy, but if you guys are into Forex, you definitely want to be looking at those. Buyers versus sellers, I jokingly call this the jackpot indicator because you'll see when you watch this video, and these all come with video tutorials too. Like literally guys, go through these, watch the video tutorials, and you're gonna be like, all right, sweet, let's just get the bundle pack. This is gonna be the best deal. If you get them individual, you're gonna be overpaying about 21%. In other ways of looking at this, save yourself 21% by just getting the bundle pack. This is in the description. Okay, this ADA trade that I was telling you guys about, come over here and click right here for the 4 buy limits. Here's what you guys are gonna do. 4 buy limits are gonna be set up. You're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, if you want to, on this one go around, because we're so low, you guys can market order right here and use the first 3 buy limits. So it'll probably look like this in your guys' exchange, something like this. I don't know where the bottom is, but this is 0, so it's not that much further down. What you guys be watching for is this. Once you get in right here, all you're going to do is watch for the trend exhaustion to push into the top red section here and the money flow being high. This is all I'm looking for, guys. If the trend exhaustion reaches the top red section, that will most likely correlate to a price structure right around where I told you guys. That's why I wasn't super aggressive on this. I think a move up here to right around this area of 15 to 16% is absolutely doable with the trend exhaustion when it pushes up in the top red section here. That is why I'm telling you guys 16% is possible. That's like some of the easiest money you guys can make, 16%. You're in and out of a trade. And then what do you do after that? Go to our buy limits, set them up again, and get into the next trade. Well, here's a question. Travis, what if it goes down? Well, great. If it goes down, you have insurance on your trade, so your buy limit's going to be here. And if it hits your second buy limit, you've got a break-even entry here. And then if it hits your third one, you've got another break-even entry. Guys, look at this. We've hit all of our buy limits here. We have saved ourselves on this trade by doing nothing, guys. I've literally, during some of these buy limits, I've been out playing golf. Like literally, I've saved myself and everybody trading with us 24%. We saved ourselves on this trade by doing nothing but setting up buy limits. That's it. Instead of being down like a lot of people on this trade right now, being down about 54% or even more actually, we're only down 39%. That's it. because we had our buy limits get hit. I think this can absolutely come up here before quarter one is done and actually blast up here really strong. So saying 16% I think is very, very conservative. I wouldn't doubt if we push up to these structure highs right here and right around this area where we actually get about 36% out of this trade. A simple touch of the descending resistance here, that's a 48% increase, guys. Like, this is ridiculous. For those of you guys who are my higher clients, if you had $10,000 and you put it $10,000 in each of these buy limits, and let's just say you hit your first buy limit and you came up here, $10,000, 30%. Okay, you just made $3,000. Almost 38% is $4,000. Guys, this could happen in like the next 7 to 8 days. Like, look how low this thing is. Like, guys, this thing from the dollar over here has bounced 137%, 83%, 71%, 46%, and 193%. All I'm calling is like, I just want to be honest and real on this channel. I'm calling 16%, guys. Most likely, if you hold this trade, you can probably get about 70 to 80% out of this. But literally, 16% by maybe Friday is not unrealistic by any means. By any means, okay, guys? So, if I come out here and I just show you guys some unrealistic predictions, you guys are not going to follow me. I want to give you guys realistic predictions here. So guys, make sure you're setting up the indicators, get them in the description before they go up. You literally only have 3 days left. Get the bundle pack, guys. That is the best deal, hands down. Make sure you guys are getting into the membership over here before this goes up so you guys get access to everything. All the entries, all the inner circle training that I have going on over here. You guys get access to all of it, okay, with the membership. The indicators are the only thing that's separate, and you guys want to be getting this today because literally you have 3 days left and they're going out. So guys, God bless you so much. Get into this ADA trade. I'm in this trade with you guys, so we'll all make money together, and I will see you guys on the next video. Everything you need is in the description, and I pinned it to the first comment of this YouTube video. God bless you guys. I'll see you later. Let's make some money. Bye, guys.